Today in this video I show you how to use Google Translate on WhatsApp chatting on iPhone. If you want to use Google Translate on WhatsApp in iPhone, then open App Store. Now search Gboard and open this app. Now you have to install this app in your iPhone. After installing Gboard, you have to open it. Now click on Get Started. Again click on Get Started. Now open General. Click on Keyboards. Again click on Keyboards. Now you have to click on Add New Keyboards and select Gboard. Now go back to Gboard app and click on this globe icon to change into Google Keyboard. Now you have to allow full access. Click on Enabling Full Access. Click on Get Started. Now click on Keyboards and then turn on this toggle. Click on Allow. Now open WhatsApp and then click on the chat in which you want to translate text. Now click on Keypad. You can see Google Keyboard is showing. If I click on this Google Translate icon and click on Got It, you can see I can use Google Translate on WhatsApp chatting and select the language I want to translate from like this. Now select language you want for translating your text and now simply type or paste the text you want to translate in other language and click on Translate. Now you can see translated text on keypad. So this is how you can use Google Translate on WhatsApp chatting on iPhone. Thank you for watching this video. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos like this.